These are the people of Kivalo, Madagascar, planting 5,000 mangrove seedlings as part of a day of celebration. It was on this day that they received a supply of new soccer equipment, generously donated by the Swedish Postcode Lottery. An event was held as a symbol of their thanks. Kivalo and neighboring communities are major partners for WWF in protecting and restoring the West Coast important mangrove corridor. Restoring the mangroves is one of WWF's major objectives for this area. Mangroves provide important ecological services, including acting as a breeding ground for crabs, fish, and shrimp, providing fuel wood and timber, protecting coastal areas from sea level rise caused by climate change, and capturing more carbon than most other forest types. After planting, it was game time, and time to try out the new equipment.